You are a failure. I've spoken those words into the mirror more times than I can count. It is so human to look at our own shortcomings, catastrophize them, making ourselves believe that we are incapable of doing great things. Hi, my name is Justin Canning, and I spent my entire young life as overweight and obese. And I spent the last 15 years learning to be the best new version of myself every day, and helping countless other people do so as well. In all my other videos, I give you guys tips and ideas on how to best pursue your health and fitness goals. In this video, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about something that is so important that you need to learn to overcome to be able to achieve your health and fitness goals. Dealing with failure. We all know dieting can be incredibly difficult. And it is so common to have setbacks and failures along the way. But the truth is, failure is a normal part of the process, and it's something that we all have to learn how to overcome. The thing is, in human history, everyone that's achieved something at the highest level has all had to overcome massive setbacks and failures. The difference between those people and the people who don't is that they learn from failure. Take the lessons they learned and move forward towards the same goal. Something that we all need to learn how to understand is that failure is not a reflection of your worth as a human being. We've all been on diets and fell apart on the weekend, or went to a family gathering and really bit off more than we could chew. And a lot of us let that spiral into days and weeks where we completely fall off the wagon. And it is very easy to fall into the trap that if you failed at something, you must be a failure as a person. But that simply isn't true. Learning how to deal with failure and learn from failure and push forward is such a valuable goal. One of the most important things when dealing with failure is not to give up. It can be so easy to throw in the towel when things aren't going well, but what you really have to do are focus on the areas that really let you down. Learn from it. See the triggers that made you fall off so you can see them coming in the future. And giving up on your diet is the worst thing you can do. What you should do is reflect back on what went wrong, build a plan, and move forward. Because nothing you're going to do in the journey of health and fitness is won or lost in a day. It's a long-term sustainable plan. Everyone falls off. Nobody's perfect. Everyone's seen The Rock's 10,000 calorie cheat days. The body tends to crave things that spike our blood sugar. It's normal. Everything that you're feeling when you're falling off the wagon, we all feel. It's not unique to you, and that's what you need to remember. So when you're going through these things, just know you're not alone. Everyone deals with it. That's why we live in a society where over 30% of the population is obese. Because a lot of people give in to these cravings. But that's not you. You've learned from it, you're planning for it, and you're going to take what you learned and move forward. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that doesn't work. Thomas Edison. The thing about failure is it's not final. It's not over. There's nothing stopping you from trying it again. In fact, it's through repetitive failure that most people make the most progress. It's just like picking up a golf club. The first time you swing it, you're going to be terrible. Everyone is. 1,000 swings later, you're going to be much better. 10,000 swings later, you're not even going to be able to replicate the bad swing you had the first time. It's going to be so dialed into your muscle memory. That's the thing about everything. Repetition. And other times failure is just an indicator. It's an indicator that you were doing the wrong thing. Because diets aren't universal. You're going to find a diet that's good and specific to you. You're going to find a fitness domain that is perfect for you and your lifestyle. And that's not to say you should drop it and quit it every time you screw up, because that's not it either. You need to allow enough time to pass for you to be able to truly understand if something works for you. And if you continue to have hiccup over hiccup, you're going to understand that this plan is not sustainable for you. And there's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, you got to try. And finally, a great way to overcoming failure is to have the right support system. Have friends and family who truly support you. They want to see you achieve your goals. They're going to look at this hiccup in a vastly different way than you do. And they're going to continue to encourage you to push forward. And I know with health and fitness, it can often be shy to talk about it with your friends and family or people who are close to you. I know I was. So it's easy to find communities out there just like this one. There's so many people out there going through the same thing you are, struggling with the same things. Because it's all pattern recognition. What triggers your failures? What triggers your hiccups? What triggers your shortcomings? Because we all have it. Is it environment? Is it stress? Understanding those factors and having the proper support system to encourage you to keep pushing forward, that's where you find long-term success. So just remember, dealing with setbacks in dieting is something we all deal with. And if you just remember that it is a normal part of the process, that is not final, to stick with it and surround yourself with people who encourage you, you're going to be so well equipped to deal with it next time. Because we all have weak moments. It's human. And just remember, the most successful people out there are the people who never give up. They keep pushing through. You're one of those people. You got this. If you got anything out of this video, give it a like. It helps to get it out there to other people trying to start their weight loss journeys as well. I'll see you on the next one.